In this lecture, we are going to work on this delete functionality. Here, if I click on this delete, I will have confirmation. If I click cancel, order will not be deleted. But here, if I click on OK, I will have this order is under processing and cannot be deleted. And this complete logic we have already added in the backend. So if the order is delivered, only this order can be deleted. So one by one, we are going to work on this functionality. First, we are going to fetch delete order API. From here, copy this complete function. Below this paste, comment I will be passing delete order. Function name I will pass delete order. And also action type I will be passing delete order. And from backend, I will open order routes. And here you can see for deleting order, we are having this route. And what we need order ID. So inside the payload, we are just going to pass the ID. And here we are using delete request. In place of admin orders, we will pass admin order. And then we are going to pass this ID. So whatever ID we will get as a payload, that ID we are just going to pass inside this route. So in this way, we are just going to access this route. Let me click on this delete order. And inside this, we are having success and message. So come to admin slice. Here, error message, I will write fail to delete order. And inside the initial state, we have already accessed message. Now scroll down. From here, I'm just going to copy this complete builder. And inside this paste. Here, I will be passing fail to delete order. Function name, I will pass delete order, copy, paste and paste. Inside pending and rejected, we don't have to change anything. But inside this full field, what all we have to access? We have to access success and also we have to access message. Why? Because once the order is deleted, if the success is through, whatever message we are having in the backend, that message we have to show to user. So success we have already accessed. Here I will be passing message, copy and inside this paste. So in this way we are just going to fetch delete order API. And inside the backend you can see we have already added the condition. If our order status is not equal to delivered, then we cannot delete the order. If our order status is delivered, only then we can delete the order. So again, while working with front end, you do not have to check for the condition. Whatever condition we needed, entire logic we have already added in backend.